my god. Are you okay, Whoopie Pie? I cannot send you home if you damage yourself.
Sneezing. Did you bonk your nose? Are you okay? Oh!
Whoopie.
Doesn't really know how to stop yet.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't know. They still don't have their legs either.
No. Not yet.
They think that they're invincible.
They got their teeth.
Zach, could you sit to the side? Not between me and the puppy, thanks.
Hang on, buddy.
Ew.
Oh,
It's okay.
we'll clean that up in a minute. Oh, lovin'.
Hi, Whoopi. Hi, Whoopi. Oh! Well, thanks. No, you cannot have that. Can I please?
Whoopie.
He thinks my hair is a toy.
Okay.
Okay, so whoever gets this puppy will need to puppy-proof their house.
Yeah.
Because he is going to get into everything. But he's going to be a very active puppy. He's going to be great for somebody who runs.
I tried to like most of it.
He's going to run a
He
lot.
just jumped over my leg and cleared it. Good job, Whoopi.
And run. And run. And run. The energy is endless.
Whoopi. No. No. Zach, go get him. Go get him.
But don't do that.
Come here, Whoopi. Get him.
Oh.